Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I came up with my delicious recipe of chunky chocolate chip cookies. This is one of my favorite dessert recipes because it's super easy to make and I can really make it in the middle of the night if I wanted to. So if you want to see how I came up with this delicious recipe, stay tuned. So guys, go ahead and take a screenshot of the ingredients if you guys would like to follow along. So we're going to use about 3/4 a cup of butter, melted, and that's about a stick and a half. And we're going to use 1 whole egg and then another egg yolk. So now we're going to add our sugars. We're going to use about 1 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of white sugar. Now we're going to add our melted butter. Incorporate everything together. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to keep whisking. Now we're going to add our eggs. Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to keep whisking. So now we're going to give everything a good stir to make sure we got everything at the bottom. Now we're going to add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now we're going to give everything a good stir. And I will be stirring the rest with my hands, and they're clean. Just to make sure everything is well incorporated. So once you kneaded your cookie dough nice and well to make sure all the chocolate chips are incorporated, we're going to place this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then I'll be right back to y'all. So it's been 30 minutes. I took the cookies out and I lined up baking tray with parchment paper, and I'm using a ice cream scoop to scoop out an even portion of each cookie. I find it a little easier using these scoopers to like get the right portions. So I'm gonna scoop and add scoop. And I'm gonna keep going until I cover the sheet. Now I'm just going to roll them up. Spread them out so that way they don't spread and touch each other. So I'm going to place this in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back to y'all. Look at that cookie. It's nice and warm. And just like that, here go our cookies. So I decided to make some big ones as well. Nice and big, and then I made some small ones for the kids. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video with your girl Nat. I really do appreciate you guys coming back every week to check out my new videos. Please like, comment, and share, and also tell a friend to tell a friend, because you know I'm trying to get this video out on the YouTube street. So I appreciate everybody's support. Until next time, peace.